everyone, welcome to BFG Mitsubishi. My name's Omar and this is going to be my walk around video on this amazing 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited 4x4. Now, just looking at the front, a lot of amazing stuff packed onto this one, guys. You've got your ARB Bullbar, matte black, which does blend in really nicely with the other matte black finishes on the car. Your two front driving lights, LED as well, and your CB radio antenna. So looking at the front, really tough look at the front, guys. You've got your fog lights on the bottom here with your indicators, and your driving light here at the front, and your other lights as well. Coming around to the side, you also have your AEV Snorkel too, which again matches really well with the front accessories of the car too. Coming to the first sealy, really good condition, guys. Can't really see any damage on it whatsoever. Just a bit of dust there, that's all. So considering the age of the car, the previous owner's done a really good job at keeping that in good condition. You also have these really tough BFGoodrich all-terrain tyres, plenty of tread on there as well. Come a little bit more to the side, just a couple of stickers, just so everyone knows what you're rocking on this Jeep Wrangler when you're driving around. Previous owner obviously has a bit of pride in what he's put onto the car. You also have your colour matched side mirrors with your door handle also. Let's get my camera guy to pop in and have a look at the fronts as well, just so you can see the condition that it's in. So being the Unlimited, you also get the nice cloth finish seats as well. Again, considering the age of the car, guys, not much wear and tear at all, and a little bit, but for the most part, really good condition. And then just coming to the side there, if my camera person can show you, where people do get a bit lazy and just kick the door and open. Previous owners done actually a really good job at keeping that in good condition, so no marks or any dents there at all. So again, really good job also. So then also you got the side steps too, so if you are a little bit short and it's a bit more challenging, it just makes life a little bit easy for you to get into the car when you're hopping up inside. Coming around to the back, steel as well. Just like the first one, bit of dust, but for the most part, really good condition. I'm struggling to see any sort of damages or marks there as well. And again, like the first tyre, you got your BFGoodrich all-terrain tyres with plenty of tread on that as well. Just before we go out to the back, guys, you will notice at the back window it does have privacy glass. Now, it is not the darkest legal tint, but we do offer that, and we can wrap it up in some packages with you as well. But I will mention that towards the end of the video also. Coming around to the back of the car, you will notice you have a full-size spare which has never been used, so that's really good to keep in mind also. And you also have your brake light mounted up on the top also. Just got to open up the back just so you can have a look at it too. So you will notice you do get the tow bar kit that does come with the car as well. And if you did want to pop off the hardtop cover, you do have all the kit ready to go, all the plastics that are needed to put on top of the roof of the car if you did want to take off the hardtop cover as well. And if you look at the bottom as well, just before we close up, you do have your subwoofer in the back also. Just close that. And now just coming around to the side, guys, see you do have your fuel cap on the left hand side, the safety side. You do need to use your key to open it up, so just keep that in mind also. And now for the third steel wheel, again, like the others, really good condition, just a little bit of dust, but no real major signs of any scratches, dents or any marks. And again, like the other tyres, plenty of good tread left on these BFGoodrich all-terrain tyres. Now guys, just want to step back, guys, just so you can admire the beautiful silver paintwork on this here. Again, really good condition. I mean, for the most part, only one little touch up that was needed here, but for the most part, the paint's actually in really good job. So a credit to the previous owner who has done a really good job at maintaining the paintwork of this beautiful car. Now I just want to come to the last wheel here. Again, steel, just like the others, and no real sign of any damages there whatsoever. So again, like all the other ones, really good condition and plenty of tread left on these tyres. Just want to admire all the accessories that are fitted out from the previous owner, guys. You have your ARB Bullbar, your front driving lights, your antenna, your snorkel, and the stickers on the side, just so everyone knows what you're repping on this Jeep Wrangler. Now, what I'm going to do is just have a quick look outside under the bonnet. Alright guys, just having a look at the engine bay now. You have Jeep's V6 motor, which gives you a 3.6 litre petrol engine with a 5-speed automatic gearbox. The car does have 4 airbags throughout the back, so it will give you a lot of protection and safety as you're driving. The engine also produces 209 kilowatts of power and 347 newton meters of torque. The fuel tank capacity is 85 litres, riding on 91 and above. Will give you a fuel consumption of 11.7 litres per 100 kilometres and an average distance of 726 kilometres. Now guys, it doesn't matter on what you're towing and the weight of the car as well. Alrighty guys, now time for the interior. So we'll start with the right hand side here. You have your central locking system just over here, and then coming to this beautiful steering wheel, which is in very good condition as well, might I add. On the right hand side you have your cruise control settings, and on the left you have your media settings there. So, and just so you know, this little menu button here just controls some of the little options that you have on your center display there. Now it is a Jeep guys, so remember that the indicator is on the left hand side, not on the right. On the right you just have your normal wipers as so. Coming on to the left hand side of the screen you have your built-in sat-nav system, and you also have FM, AM, radio, and you have Bluetooth connectivity with aux input as well. Coming down to the center part here you have your window controls, which is automatic but only for going down, not for going up, so you still have to use a little bit of manual power, but I'm pretty sure we'll all survive. You have your 2 vents here at the front, and you have your other 2 just popping out to the sides. You have your normal climate control there, nothing too fancy. Your power mirror adjustments, your headlight levelers, obviously your hazards, and your hill descent. Coming down here you also have your 4-wheel drive settings too, and you also have a 12 voltage socket there, so if you want to charge you can just pop it into there. Also you have 2 cup holders just sitting over here. I'm not sure if my camera person can show you, but they're just over there, with your handbrake situated just beside that as well. Then in your center compartment, just got a little tray there, and then you have another level. Again, plenty of space to keep stuff in there. You also have another 12 voltage spot in there, also for charging, as well as a USB port too. So just put that down for you. And guys, to be honest, the actual total condition of the car, not sure if my camera person can show you, but it's in actual very good condition for the roof, considering you can take it off and on. There are no major damages, scratch or dents that I can spot anyway. Especially, like I said earlier in the video, the previous owner has done a very good job at maintaining the condition of this car. So let's get my camera person just to show you just a little bit more of the condition of it, and then we'll pop outside. Alright guys, thank you for watching my walk around video on this beautiful MY15 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Now before you go, there are a few things that I want to cover with you that I do think are very important for you to know. For example, you can see how there's a beautiful silver paintwork on this car, so it would really be an injustice if you did not ask us about our glass coat paint protection. The glass coat will give you a lifetime warranty on the paintwork. It will also protect the paint from bat droppings, bird droppings, tree sap, weather fading, all those other nasty stuff that can damage the paintwork of this car. The vehicle does also qualify for our premium mechanical protection plan. Now that will give you an additional 5 years warranty, 100,000 kilometers, and an amazing 10 years of platinum roadside assistance nationwide. So guys, when you come in, also ask to speak to our business managers Julie and Mario, because they will show you just how easy it is to fit these into your repayments on your new vehicle. Now if you do have any questions or do want to inquire in the car, obviously you can just pop in, or please call us on 9907 0555. My name is Omar, Berwick Mitsubishi. Love that experience.